Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Unfortunately, based off of the title, today is not as good of a day as it should be, or as we would hope it to be. But it's alright. These things do happen. I'm gonna let Jamal explain into it a little bit more, and we'll go from there.
Well, it has nothing to do with today. The day is fine. It's partly cloudy. The chance of pissed off neighbors. They're not pissed off. I'm just fucking around. All right. Well, as you guys saw from the title, we got into a mishap. Had to lay the bike down. Certain situation that happened. We'll explain that a little bit later on. But first and foremost, I'm okay. Ben's okay. Just got some. I'm the one that actually, I laid it down. I laid my bike down, and I'm the one that has the scratches and the burns and stuff like that. So I'm okay. I'm doing fine. Recovering. I gotta watch because every time I say something to the camera, this guy's in the background making faces. I'm sure he just did one. Yeah. I don't know. Where do we go from here?
I don't know. Let's just jump into it.
Let's just jump into it.
And got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Sorry guys, I'm a little gloomy right now. This isn't a video that I wake up in the morning excited to make. Well, obviously you guys can see what side I laid the bike down on. It was a brake side. So luckily I don't have to do any type of clutch repairs. You want to grab the side of the fairing? We got home the night that it happened and we kind of started trying to take it apart little by little already. But yeah, so fairing is obviously gone. We're gonna have to get a whole new fairing kit, but
it's not that bad. It's not as bad as we thought it was going to be.
It's bad, but he's right. It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
But it's bad.
Truth is, I'm tired. Options are few.
It's unfortunate.
Yeah, it's unfortunate.
It's unfortunate.
When he laid his bike down, he was like, "It's total to the frame," and I was like, "It's not that bad." I mean, it looked bad when it happened, but it wasn't. Once we got it home off the tow truck and we pulled it inside, the next day, I took the this side of the fairing kit off, and there's no frame damage anywhere. Obviously, it's just a bunch of plastic, so pretty easy to replace. Not too costly, depending on how we do it. Hopefully, it won't cost us an arm and a leg. It already cost Jamal's right arm, but. Yeah, so I mean,
I'm not going to show you what my arm looks like, so don't even think that I'm going to.
Yeah, it's not going to be in the video. Some of you viewers might get a little squeamish. But so yeah, I mean,
I don't have an arm. I'm just going to say it. It's missing.
Not as bad as we thought it was.
Right.
We plan on doing a full rebuild of the R6, getting it all taken care of, trying to make it a one-of-one when it's all said and done. At least that's Jamal's vision. So, we're going to do the best that we can to make that vision happen for him. We will be doing a build series for it.
Alright, point it at me. Alright, let's get into it. Let's talk about what happened and what we're going to do about it. So, first and foremost, here's the story behind it. We were going to get gas and Ben was in front of me. We were trying to make a left into a gas station. Ben was in front of me, and obviously he didn't know where I was, and he was going from the straight lane to the left lane, and I was in between the left lane and the straight lane at the same time. So I was here, Ben was here, and he was slowing down so that he can stop at the red light. When he was slowing down, he didn't know where I was, but I was closer to him than he thought I was. And by the time I tried to slow down, it just wasn't happening. So I got close enough literally to put my hand on his shoulder, and by then he realized this guy is on my ass. Yep. And then I was on my ass. So laid it down. That was the first time I've ever laid down a bike, so it was a whole ordeal then. But I'm okay. I have my little scratches and bruises and stuff like that, but I'm good. So, had the bike towed home, and then I went to bed. That was it. We didn't touch it anymore. But now, we kind of went over the bike to see, obviously, what's damaged, what's salvageable, what's not salvageable. So, first and foremost, whole new fairing kit has to come in. Secondly, mechanically, engine-wise, motor-wise, we don't think there's anything wrong with it. There shouldn't be anything wrong with it. But the only way to find out is if we can get the bike started and, you know, obviously ride it, or to see how it'll fare with higher RPMs. So, whole new fairing kit. Little stuff like this, like my brake, I guess it's your brake pedal support. Please guys, don't kill me on the names for these parts, because I'm just now getting into this bike life, so don't kill me on it. But this has got to go, got to get changed out. This was our
Clip-on.
The clip-on, correct. That's got to get changed out, obviously. This handle grip's got to get changed out. We were able to salvage the ignition and the cutoff switch and etc. So hip hooray for that. Side mirrors have to go. The brake levers got to go, so we're going to order new levers for that as well. And I think that's really about it. I don't see anything else. Did you see anything?
No, from my point of view.
Okay.
I didn't see anything else.
Okay. Well, that was my perspective on it. We're going to flip it out and flip it the camera. And Ben, talk to me about what happened with you. What's your perspective on your bike?
So obviously the damage to my bike isn't as bad as Jamal's, but the little damage that did happen, to my bike was just the chain guard right here. I got a little clip right here if you guys can see it. And then fun fact, I didn't know this, but this is actually carbon fiber, light carbon, and it goes on the rear side of peg. So I'll show you the other side so you guys can see what it looked like. But this is what it looks like right here. So when Jamal did hit my bike and lay his down, all the damage that I suffered from it was just the chain guard and the light carbon fiber piece right here breaking off. Other than that, that was really it for me. So
frame sliders. Thank God I had one, which is what everyone who ever buys one and lays their bike down says. So that little flame.
Fire flame, fire flame spittles. Fire flame, fire flame spittles. We the business, $100 million.
Frame slider right there saved me a lot of money. Saved me a lot of money. Costs a little, but saves a lot. So, oh, also gas tank. Gas tank is done. So, we're gonna try and see if maybe we can salvage that gas tank. If you guys are in the comment section and have any type of way on how we can, let me know. Again, never really been in this situation before, so don't really know what's salvageable entirely and what's not, but we're gonna do the best that we can to salvage what we can. So obviously it's just more cost efficient that way. Anything else you see?
yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, but a little fun fact, little funny thing. Me and Jamal, we shaved our facial hair. I shaved what little facial hair that I had, and well, he shaved all of his beard. So, because I told him, he was in the bathroom, and I was like, you know, Jamal, if you shave your facial hair, I'll shave mine. He's like, no, you won't. And I was like, yes, I will. So he shaved all his facial hair, then I shaved mine.
I immediately went back into the bathroom and shaved all of my facial hair off.
Yep, that's just a little funny thing from us, but.
Yep. Give me a week though. Don't worry. By the time our next video drops, I will look like a caveman again. So.
Yep, and I'll still look like this. So, yep. So other than that, guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Like I said, short, simple, to the point. We will be doing a build series for the R6. So
rebuild.
Yeah, rebuild. Rebuild build series. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, appreciate you guys as always.
Comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Listen, I don't care if this video gets 10 views, okay, or 10 million. I want to see 1 million likes, 1 million comments, and 1 million
1 million
subscribers, okay? You guys have to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't care if you like the video or not. Like, comment, subscribe. Yep, that's my 2 cents on it. I'm not begging you, I'm just telling you very abruptly. Like, comment, subscribe.
Ditto what he said. Alright guys, to the next one.